another custom background. This one is also the Wilson's Ridge, but this one is actually a 3-sided background, which we can do for you as well. This one also has the end caps and gives it a nice finished look. So I have Ben here and he's gonna help me install this. Sometimes you'll need a second person on these bigger backgrounds just to help you. Again, you can manhandle them a little bit and make them work how you need. So here we go. See how nice it looks with this finished edge right here? This one again will need the spray foam in the back just to not allow any animals to get behind it. Over here on this edge, that it's sticking just a little bit out. With this, you can just put the spray foam back there and then just put it and hold it down and it'll fix that right up for you. All right, so now we're just gonna add our substrate and our decorations. This is one of our mist wood pieces we have available online. I'm gonna use this one just to create a little ramp for our friends to climb up on. Here we have another option for one of our rock bowls. Then we have a few plants here. You can add as much or as little as you like. This background is also in our Castle Rock color. So here, this is Castle Rock. Then we have our Mistwood. This rock is actually in our gray color. And then this bowl is also in our Castle Rock color. Some customers like to keep the color scheme the same. And some like to mix it up and throw a few brown things in there. But now we have it all set up and we're ready for our friend to enjoy its new home.